Hello. Just wanted to do a little run through of the new Black Edition multi-range that you may have seen we're promoting at the moment. This is all based around the HWR 9652 0-point system. So you can see the 52 0-point studs on the base. So these would all be mounted and located within 5 microns on the 0-point base. This is the multi-rad, which enables you to, once you've switched on the inclinometer, to turn the multi-rad to a position, lock it off, and then you can then remove that and put a vise in or a chuck in to hold apart at an angle to drill a compound hole. Or you can combine it with the multi-rise, mount the multi-rise into the multi-rad at an angle. You can then put a vise in and you can then drill a compound angle. Equally, the multi-rise can be used on its own. So if you just wanted to drill some 90-degree holes or put some flats onto a material, you can put it in that position. If you wanted to then machine 90 degrees opposed to that, you can rotate your vise round in the multi-rise. If we take that out, then we come along to the triface, which is a 3-sided column, and that fits into the 96 0-point. So that could be utilised on a rotary table, or it could be utilised as it is in this position, just enabling you to present more parts in the same way that the multi-rise does to the spindle. And then we'll take that away. We then have the pyramid, which this one has actually got no vices on it at the moment, but you can mount 3 vices on there. These can be made in all different shapes and sizes. This is probably one of the smallest ones that we do. This is designed for the vice to be bolted directly to it, whereas you can have larger ones which have the 0-point plates attached and then get quick release removal and refitting of the vice. That is a quick overview of the multi-range.